Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad 3 and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. Now I do want to check one thing, so it doesn't matter which side. Swipe down and you'll find a bunch of toggles. If you swipe down twice it will extend them, and here we're just looking for the screen recorder. For me it is right over here. Once you see it you can just simply tap on it. First time around it will ask you for access to record audios and all that stuff, so we're going to select while using the app and then get started. Next you can choose what sound will be recorded, so we have record system sound and the microphone. You can choose both of them on one, it's up to you. Let's start recording and you can see it is now recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the tablet. There is though a limitation, so if I open up something like this garbage, this actually won't be recorded because the application just completely blatantly disregards your privacy and your rights. And even though I haven't agreed to any terms of service or use know that I download this garbage nor signed into it, you will see what I mean in a second, because it just completely disregards that. Which it shouldn't, because I haven't given it a single shred of a permission to do anything. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here on this overlay and then click on the square to stop the recording. This will save it to your Photos application, which is somewhere right here. Let's go back. So under the Photos tab right here, you should be able to see your screen recordings, but it also might be a little bit easier for you to find those screen recordings later on down the line by going into albums. And in albums you will find an album called videos and also screenshots. Both of them will have your screen recorder or recordings. And here is the recording that I've captured. Now what you're about to see is basically a feature of Android that allows applications to choose if they're gonna blatantly disregard your rights by just doing whatever they want. Like blocking the screen recorder, which you chose to use, but the application decided that it's not gonna allow you to do that. Like it's the owner of your device. So, that's basically, sorry for the garbage right here. We're gonna go back, there we go, just so we can get a nice clean look at this. This is the screen recording of Netflix. If it actually stays focused, there we go. It's just straight black screen, nothing to it. Now Netflix isn't the only application, it's basically any garbage app that wants you to pay monthly subscription, and it extends to things like Spotify and other ones. If you're planning to pirate it, because that's kind of what it's preventing it to do, things like Netflix show, you're doing it wrong. Just download Cloud Stream from GitHub. You can thank me later. In any case, when it comes to screen recordings, unfortunately or fortunately, we do actually have a pop-up right here that lets us know that we won't be able to record this. I do want to point that out because most devices don't actually have this little pop-up. This lets you know that what you're trying to record isn't allowing you to do what you want on your device. Fantastic. In any case, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.